Stove looking fettled where the chimney got a bit hot. Cushions from IKEA. Desk relocated at the back there. Bookshelves still want fixing to the wall. Growler. The bond site that is currently the hall, but they pleasure the pointing. Yeah, the witchy bits. Some floor tiles, that's very significant. Couple of hours last night sorting those out, getting the levels together so it aligns with what happens out here.